Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave, this is Hudson Moto. Now, we are here in the front of the house, and you know what? We're gonna give back my brother's 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan S. Now, he hasn't seen some of the upgrades, even though, yeah, I did post them online, but he hasn't seen this bike personally yet. So, we're gonna give it back to him today, and we hope that he likes every mod I did, because, oh, excuse me, I kept in mind that he does commute on this sometimes. So, you know, we got him some bags, we got him a tail bag, we fixed his floorboards, we gave him some bar end mirrors, we also updated his headlight. His headlight was trash at night, so we updated the headlight to LED. So I had a lot of fun doing some mods on this bike, and it's sad to see it go, but you know what, at the end of the day, it's his bike. He kept it here for the winter because he lives in an apartment. It's hard to keep it on the street, so we got him everything for him. Hopefully he gets to keep it somewhere safe in the summertime, and yeah, hope he enjoys it. All right, so let's wait for him. We'll come right back once he's here.
A few moments later.
All right, we're here. Byron just got here. All right, so let's pull this cover off and I'll show you what I did before. Yeah.
Oh, man, I'm just riding.
Yeah, man.
That's what my son makes me, you know, there.
No, I get you.
Gives me this. Oh, nice.
Yep.
Nice.
Well, we can start from the front to back. I'll show you what I did.
Okay.
This one, it'll fold on itself. There is a pocket on the back side of this that you could fold into it, and you could stick it in the bag.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I don't know how to.
Yeah, leave it there for now, and I'll help you out with that. But so what I did your bike here was I put a new LED in here, so if you want to turn it on and check it out.
I love ski.
Ah, great.
You know me. Question is where to start.
It won't turn on unless you start the bike. So the LED's still there. I didn't get the chance to change. There's a top bulb in there, but that's your accessory light, so that's all right.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Yeah,
so, like,
we put some bar end mirrors, so it's a little different look. Just adjust them as you go.
Yeah.
I did fix these.
Yeah, they were pretty loose.
They were pretty loose. I block tightened them all. When you sit on, you see how you feel.
Yeah, no, they're good. I haven't ridden, as you can see, a lot.
Yeah. Does your foot fit under the other one though? Yeah. All right. All right. So we did the LED, we did the bar end mirror, we did the bag here from Kawasaki. So all you have to do, yeah, is two buckles here, pull it right off. You can bring that inside with you, and it has a rain cover in here. If you get stuck in the rain,
Oh yeah,
it has a rain cover on it. It's inside. I'll show you real quick. Right here. It has other straps in it.
Okay.
If you need the straps, you can make it into a book bag. You can do everything with it. But I just put it on there. The only thing is you have to loop it through your, the holes in each other. And then the actual bag itself, I think I locked them. So if you want to just turn off the bike real quick. So it's nice and easy. I think this. No, it's not locked. So pull that up. Pull this up a little. And then push it down.
Okay. Yeah,
there you go.
Oh, these are nice. It comes with sun?
Yeah, sunglass holder.
One on each side. Oh, maybe both.
Yeah, both.
They fit.
Yeah. Same idea, just lock it in, push it down.
Okay.
So it's a full turn to lock it.
Okay.
Same thing on the other side. So if you ever...
Okay, I got you.
I gotta get you the spare key somewhere there. I gotta go get it for you. And same thing on the other side.
Alright. Let me see again. It's lifted up a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's all fiberglass. Should stand up to the weather. So if you do leave your bike closed outside, should be good.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
Awesome. Now hopefully this year I could get the chair, the seat.
Yeah.
That was a cheaper one than like the 700.
Yeah.
Custom one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully I could get it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, your tires are good. Oil's good. I checked it. I changed it when you gave it to me, so that should be all done. Tire pressure's good. What else? Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, nice.
I wanted to get you new levers, but they never came. I don't know what happened.
It's all good.
Plus, after looking at some other ones, the ones that they were going to give me, it wasn't substantial like those. Yeah, so
it's okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it looks awesome. I
Tried to wipe it down a little bit for you.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I understand.
It's been dusty.
Trust me, I understand.
Yeah,
Definitely
yeah.
understand. Looks like I could go to the beach now.
There you go. You can pack all your stuff.
Yeah.
Pack everyone on there.
In the summer, that more time. Hopefully, I could go to the beach with it.
Yeah. Or at least commute on it.
Yeah.
Get some.
Got more that sunny out.
Yeah.
I commute more on it. It's gas is too expensive on my car.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. It's gonna be on the shop already. It's gonna be on the.
When is it gonna go in? Monday? Okay,
Monday,
nice.
yeah. Monday is gonna be on the shop, and can't wait to fix it. They hit the whole side.
I know. I saw that, man. That was friggin' brutal.
Can't wait.
All right, so let's fold this up and then we'll get you off.
Yeah. All right. All right. I'll see you.
All right, man.
Thank you so much.
No problem.